Seven stocks now make up more of the S&P 500 than the entire crypto market cap, and almost nobody is talking about what happens to Bitcoin when that house of cards finally cracks. Welcome back to Altcoin Daily. Today we are tackling the elephant in the room, the AI bubble, tech sector concentration, and the brutal correlation breakdown that could hit BTC and ETH harder than anyone expects in 2026. Let us get into it. Right now, the Magnificent Seven account for roughly 33% of the S&P 500. Nvidia alone is trading at valuations that price in AI capex growth continuing for the next decade without a single hiccup. Hyperscalers are spending over $300 billion a year on data centers, and the market is treating every chip order like guaranteed revenue. History tells us this kind of concentration never ends quietly. So where does crypto fit in? Here is the uncomfortable truth. Bitcoin has spent the last 2 years correlating tightly with the Nasdaq, sitting around 0.7 on a 90-day basis. When tech rallies, BTC rallies. When tech bleeds, altcoins bleed faster. Ethereum is even more sensitive because of its risk-on positioning and the leverage stacked across DeFi. If AI names correct 25 to 30%, history suggests Bitcoin could see a 40% drawdown and altcoins 50 to 70%. That is not fear-mongering, that is what happened in 2022 when liquidity dried up. But here is where it gets interesting. The correlation could actually break, and in two very different ways. Scenario 1, AI cracks, the Fed pivots, liquidity floods back, and Bitcoin decouples upward as a hedge against fiat debasement. Scenario 2, forced selling hits everything, leveraged funds liquidate crypto to cover equity margin calls, and we see a flash crash before any decoupling. Watch the dollar index and credit spreads, because those tell you which scenario is unfolding before price does. For altcoins specifically, concentration risk inside crypto mirrors what is happening in tech. Bitcoin dominance above 60% means alts are already fragile. A tech sell-off would likely send dominance towards 65, crushing mid and low caps. The pairs to watch are ETH BTC, Sol BTC, and Total 3 excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. If those break key support, the altcoin thesis pauses. The bottom line? Do not assume crypto is insulated from the AI trade. Risk management matters more than narrative right now. If this breakdown helped you think clearly, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss tomorrow's analysis.